This video is sponsored by superhealthynow.com. Superhealthynow.com is a motivational website designed to inspire healthy living, healthy lifestyle, mental health, fitness, and nutritional diet support to maintain a life of balance. Full disclosure, I am in their affiliate program, but you're not required to purchase anything. This site is free for you to use to become a better you. Visit now, superhealthynow.com. Do your body good. All right, here's a picture of me. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I've already taken the clips off of it. Inside there is a mechanism here to charge it up. Looks like this USB cable, as you can see right here. And there is a plastic covering here. I don't know if that's coming up on the camera. Okay, let's try this. There we go. Let's get that satisfying peel off. There we go. Now this does come off here. You can take that off. That's not a problem. And there is your light. Now it's currently in test mode, so I'm going to turn off all the lights in the room here. Okay, I'm back. So it felt like it was longer than 10 seconds, felt like a minute, but eventually the light did blink, indicating that it was on full storage. Now you're going to see this lip right here, and you're going to think this thing is hard to charge. That's a charging port right there, and right there is the on off button, but actually you can lift this lip up. So don't let that confuse you right there. So there you go, you have access to the power button, and that is full power. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs. I don't know if that picks up on the camera. That is the medium mode, and that's the low mode, and of course off. Now once again, the high mode, if you want it on the highest possible setting, it's going to be 3 hours of full charge battery life. The medium mode, which is going to be 6 hours of running time battery life, and the low mode is going to be 35 hours of runtime battery life. I don't know if that comes up on the camera, if you can see it there. See, number 1 is 3 hours, number 2 is 6 hours, and number 3 is 35 hours. So I'm not going to turn off the lights. I just got my headlamp on here. I'm going to turn that off. That is the high mode. It can act like a floodlight. you're camping. Of course, the solar charge is on top, as well as the charging port forward, so you can charge it or let it solar charge. You can let it carry back on your backpack while it gets sun, or let it stay in the deck of the front visor of your car, let it get sun. And then at night, you got right here 3 hours of high power lantern. Now this is 6 hours. Okay, it's still pretty bright. You could definitely get around in the dark with the 6 hour. I'm not sure how many looms is the 6 hour medium light, but I'll go ahead and if I can find it, I'll put the illumination for the high looms, the medium looms, and the low loom. Now this is low power setting. This is low power setting, complete darkness, and this is about, according to what they say, 3.5 hours. Now let's go ahead and test this outside in the dark and see what it looks like. Now this is a picture of my backyard, and I'm going to go ahead and put it at the high lumens just to get an idea of the brightness. Now this is where it's at high lumens. It's hanging in a tree. And there's a flood of light in that area. There's medium. Low, off, and bright. All right, that is my review of the Goal Zero Crush Light, the Goal Zero Collapsible Solar Lantern. Once again, these do pop off. You can take those off and put them back on. And they're fairly easy to put on. You can angle the light any kind of position, or have it full stand. I think it's great. I think it's a great little lantern to have. You could put this in some kid's room, hang it by their bed table where the window is. It's safe enough for a kid to keep in his room and not have to worry about electricity or power. It's good for camping. If you're in a country that's like Puerto Rico or Haiti, Dominican Republic, St. Thomas, St. Lucia, and you may have tropical storms that come in or roll in, this is great to have around as a backup light with 35 hours of illumination and 3 and 6 hours of high and medium illumination. It's great to have, great to keep. Great durable plastic material. It's not going to mold or have any issues. It's fairly durable. And I believe you can charge it basically via the sun and micro USB. Now I'm not sure if this is reverse power adapter where you could plug in a device and get power from it. You know what? Let's find out. Okay, I was able to open and know the charging USB port is only for charging the device. So you cannot drain power from it to charge a cell phone. But I believe there are certain devices out there similar to Goal Zero that allows you to do that. That will let you charge it like a charging power bank, as well as go ahead and charge it up. But still, for the price and for the functions that it do, it's great. I recommend it. All right, thank you for watching James Changes Lives and my product review of the Goal Zero Crush Light. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.